Pika worker throws exception when running channel.declare_q. I'm writing a Python client to accept job messages from a rabbitmq broker and process the jobs, returning the results to another server. My script that sends messages to the rabbitmq broker starts out fine, but my worker throws the following error when running channel. Pika.exceptions.amp channel error 406 precondition failed parameters for q task q in host / not equivalent. Client. Server method that interacts with rabbitmq. Any help or insight is greatly appreciated. Edit. I discovered why I was getting an error with the code listed above. I was specifying delivery_mode equals 2 when publishing my messages, but when I declared the queue, I forgot to add the durable equals true parameter.
Are you sure you are connecting to the same server, host, on the publisher and consumer side?
If your queue is durable, just remove the declaration channel.q_declare q equals task_q, that should be enough in your case.
I meet the same problem when I try to make the queue message persistent with durable equals true. Try to rename the queue name, it works well with my script. Maybe kill the queue new_task, and rerun your script also works.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.